Amazing grass, amazing protein, digest, Mayan chocolate flavor, 5 billion CFU, 14.2 ounces, 405 grams. Product overview description. 15 grams protein, 5 billion CFU probiotics, 4 grams fiber USDA Organic whole food dietary supplement gluten-free no sugar added plant-based non-GMO certified organic by CCOF Organic is non-GMO and more soothing digestive supports recovery and repair nourishing energy. Plant-based protein with reviving superfoods to help manage bloat. Amazing protein Mayan chocolate. Our nourishing nutritional powder is crafted with organic plant-based proteins, soothing superfoods, and alkalizing greens grown on our family farm in Kansas. With 15 grams protein, prebiotic kiwi and 5 billion CFU probiotics plus 4 grams fiber, it's a deliciously convenient way to help manage bloat by supporting digestive health so you can look and feel amazing every day. Alkalizing kiwi, probiotic activity. Aloe vera, pineapple, banana, soothing support. Pea hull, source of fiber. Farm family roots. We organically grow and harvest the most nutrient-rich greens on our family farm in Kansas and craft them with the highest quality plant-based ingredients curated from like-minded farmers around the world. Honestly grown. Thoughtfully harvested. Simply enjoyed. Not a low-calorie food. Suggested use. Add 1 scoop with 8 fluid ounces or more of water, milk or smoothie. Other ingredients. Organic protein blend, pea protein, brown rice protein, organic pea hull fiber, alkalized organic cocoa, natural flavors, organic stevia extract, Bacillus subtilis, probiotic, organic alkalizing kiwi, organic banana, organic guar gum, organic acacia gum, organic pineapple, organic aloe vera extract, organic greens blend, wheatgrass, kale. Warnings. Contents sold by weight, not volume. Best kept in a cool, dry place after opening. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.